Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Scientific Molecules. Today we are going to do another episode of the series Knowing More About the Universe. If you haven't watched the other parts of this series, please make sure to watch those episodes, and please make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with no more talking, let's get right into the video. So the fact one is that one Mercury day is about 58 days and 15 hours in Earth, which means if you want to see the sun rise and set, it takes 58 days and 15 hours. This is due to the rotation speed difference between the Mercury and Earth. The Mercury rotates very much slowly on its axis compared to how fast the Earth rotates. The Mercury is almost 3.30 into 10 raised to 23 kilogram. This is approximately 5.5% of the Earth's mass. Next fact is that when Mercury passes directly between the Sun and a bigger planet, it is visible against the solar disk. This is called the transit of Mercury. The phenomenon takes place every 8 years on average. From the Earth, scientists and astronomers have observed this phenomenon as many as 13 to 14 times in a century. This is a very rare phenomenon as it occurs only for 14 to 15 times a century, and it's very hard for this scientist to understand this as it can be only seen for a few times. So another fact about Mercury which is very interesting, which is that the Mercury has a very thin layer of atmosphere compared to other planets. It is very thin that it has no air inside it, and even sound cannot travel through it. This makes Mercury a silent planet as the sound cannot travel through it, and it has a very low gravitational force. Its gravity is approximately 38% of Earth's gravity, which cannot hold its atmosphere. So another interesting fact is that the Mercury has the most number of craters among all the planets in the solar system. And as you may know, the craters are a big hole-like structures or things on the planets or satellites. These craters are usually occurred because of the collision between the asteroids or comets with these planets or satellites. Next fact is that the biggest crater on the Mercury is called the Caloris Basin. Its diameter measures around 1550 kilometers. This crater was discovered by the Mariner 10 probe in 1974. Next fact is about the core of the Mercury. It was believed that the core of the Mercury was a solid structure, but according to the earlier research, it is believed that it is made up as a molten core, which means it could be a liquid formed core, and it has elements like sulfur, which has lower the melting point of the core. Mercury is core made up of 42% of its volume. It contrasts to Earth's 17% of its volume. Next fact is very interesting. It is about the structure of the Mercury. If we observe the Mercury clearly, then we can see that it has wrinkles on its surface just like human beings. This is because the iron core of the planet is constantly cooling down and contracting. Next fact is about the Mercury's orbital eccentricity. So if you didn't know, the orbital eccentricity means the amount an astronomical object deviates from a perfect circle. The Mercury's distance from the Sun can thus range from anywhere from 46 to 70 million kilometers. It takes 87.96 days for it to complete an orbit of the Sun. Next fact is that the Mercury could be holding many secrets of the origin of all our planets. Even if it's hard to study the Mercury and we have been trying to study it for so long, if we get understood how the Mercury was formed, it could be the key to unlock all the secret of how a planet is formed. Next fact is that the Mercury is the second most densest planet in the solar system. Each cubic centimeter of the planet contains a density of 5.4 grams. Mercury is the second densest planet in our solar system after the Earth. The reason behind its density is that it is mainly composed of heavy metals and rocks. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you again for watching.